Let's be real here. Meta is so strong that it don't need the best marketing in the world to perform your creatives well. Your ad campaigns is totally rely on the type of creatives you're gonna run. So in this video, I'll be sharing editing checklists that have helped my clients to get the 5x ROI from their ad spend. Before diving into this checklist, you need to make sure you have an irresistible offer with a lot of proofs, because if you don't have that, then your ads is not gonna perform well. So you need to have those things dialed in before trying these things out. So in this editing checklist, we have 6 things. Firstly, we have visual hooks, then its captions, then pacing, then proofs, then offers, and lastly the sounds. I'll go over all of them in detail. So let's start with the visual hook. So what is visual hook and why is it even important for in your ad? So visual hook is something that can hook your viewer in the first few frames of the video is called a visual hook. The main goal of your visual hook should be is to stop scrolling and for the viewer to see what you have to offer. So this is really important because this can make or even break your ad. In the first ad, we have the example of 5x results guaranteed or your money back. That's essentially my main offer. Third ad, we have our case study that we helped our client to turn his 4k ad spend into 20k revenue. The third one is also the same. I have run the several amount of headlines for myself. These two were the winning headlines. So every business is unique and you need to test out different headlines for your business to see what works most in your business and what hitting the target audience most. So why is it even important? This is important because this is the first thing your viewers is gonna see. Like I said, it will even make or break your ad. And if only your clients are engaging with your ads, then Facebook Meta will also push that ad to more of these people. So you need to try different type of visual hooks to see what works most in your business. Next is we have our captions. This is important because most of the viewer will watch the video in low volume or no volume at all. In that case, we have to add captions throughout the whole video so the prospect will still engage with captions. So the point of that is most of the people don't watch the reels in full volume and most of the people are also not able to understand what type of tonality you have. So for that reason, so if we want our prospect can understand the messaging in the ads, we need to make sure we have the caption throughout the whole video and we need to make sure our captions are right below our chin so that way they can easily see you as well and also read the caption. If you are wearing a white t-shirt just like me, captions is not gonna look good on this. The reason behind is the caption is also white and my shirt is also white. It will just not looks good and also it would not be readable. Wear black shirts or gray shirts while recording your reels or while recording your ad. Next is we have is our pacing. Firstly, let's understand what is pacing. It's the flow of your videos. It can be fast or slow depending on your content and the type of niche you are in. So we usually use fast pacing in our ads, but it also depends on the type of target audience you are trying to hit. If you are trying to hit the mature entrepreneurs which is older than 30 years, then your pacing can be normal, just like I'm talking in my YouTube videos. But if you are targeting the young entrepreneurs, you need to make sure you have the fast pacing in your ads because young generation has very little attention span. So we need to make sure we can deliver as much value as possibly we can in short amount of time. So that's the main point of it. And why is it even important? This is important because your video is going in a flow like smooth butter and instantly if you have changed something, it will destroy the ad pacing. The main goal of the video pacing is that we need to make sure we are keeping it in a flow that the viewer don't feel he's watching an ad, because if he can't interact with the ad very well just because the flow of the video is like the most ads, then he's probably gonna scroll to see what Mr. Beast is doing rather than watching your ad, even if your ad is most valuable thing for him. So we need to make sure our pacing is really good that the viewer don't feel like he's watching an ad. Next is we have our proofs and why is it even important and what you should do. In the proofs, you just need to show visually what you have achieved, and this can be a testimonial video or any chat screenshot. So if you can't show visually what you have done, then no one is gonna believe in you. You can say you have made $100 million for your client, but if you don't have a testimonial or if you don't have any chat screenshot of that client saying you that saying thank you to you, then it's useless. You need to make sure that you can prove it to someone else, and you can also run as the testimonial videos of your client. I have seen seen those types of ads are also really good, working really good if they are in right structure. Using pros in your ads will definitely get you more credibility, and if you have more credibility, then you have more trust. If you have more trust, then you have more sales. Next is we have our offer, and why is it important and what you should do. You need to emphasize the offer so that the viewer can understand what you are trying to offer and can make a decision. We don't want to mess up this part, so this is really important. It totally depends on how you represent your offer in the ad. If you just do a talking head like just like I'm doing right now, and you just tell your offer just like this, then we need to have something engaging, something visually engaging. We need to have some sort of animations there to make sure the prospect can understand your offer very well and can make a decision based on that. So lastly, we have our sound. So why is it important and what you should do in the sound? You just need to make sure whatever sound you put on, just don't overflow with your own voice. The main goal is that your own voice should be crisp, clear, and easy to understand for the prospect. So the main goal of the sounds is like you need to make sure that your voice is crisp and clear and easy to understandable for the prospect. If you have a high volume like this, that no one gonna listen to you because of the music. So you need to make sure your voice is above high from all the sound effect you use in the video, from all the music you use in the video. Your voice should be clear and easy to understandable. And that was the whole editing checklist we use for our clients, and it's proven to work for our clients and for me as well. So if you are an established business owner and your ads are keep fatiguing and they are not bringing the results you expect them to do, and even you have the best offer in the market, then click the link in description and check out our landing page and book a call with me to see if we can get you the results you are looking for. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you around.